Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on Show All Contacts on the Viber app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More to access additional features and settings within the app. This will open up a menu with various options that let you customize your Viber experience. Once you're in the More section, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This is where you can control all the important configurations for your Viber account, from privacy settings to notification preferences. Settings is your central hub for making any adjustments to how the app functions. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll need to tap on General. This section contains the core settings that affect the overall behavior of your Viber app, including contact visibility, language preferences, and other fundamental features. It's where you'll find the option we're looking for. Here you'll be able to see an option labeled Show All Contacts. This feature is particularly useful if you want to view every contact in your phone's address book within Viber, not just those who are currently active on the platform. It gives you a complete overview of who you can potentially connect with on Viber. Simply tap on the Show All Contacts option and you'll notice it becomes checked, indicating that the feature is now turned on. Once activated, your contact list will expand to include everyone from your phone, making it easier to find and connect with people who might not be actively using Viber yet but are still in your address book. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Show All Contacts feature on your Viber app, giving you full access to your entire contact list. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.